Dear children, good morning. I am talking about power notation. That means exponents and powers. Now tell me what is this power? We started the lesson, no? Power. I am powerful. Okay, morning, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, we awake and we did many things. So we are powerful now, energy. We got the energy, power. Some power is there, like that one. You know, sun is the source's energy. God made the sun. Anyway, here what we are talking about, exponents and powers. What is this exponents and powers? It is not new for you because class 7 we studied. Now tell me, what is exponents and powers? Zia, tell me, last class also I told something, we will start exponents. Maybe I told you what is exponents. Tell me, what is it? Exponents. What is your idea about exponents? Is this a football for play? Or is this a marker for writing? Or it is a chapati or paratha or patiri? What is that for eating? What is your idea about exponent? Tell me what is your idea about exponents. Anybody please? Last class I told you exponents. We started no exponents?
Square.
Okay, fine, good. Square?
Cube.
A square, okay. 5 square. What about 10? 10 cube. What about 7? 7 to the power of 0. What about 8? 8 to the power of minus 1. Not only squares here. What is that? What is, tell me, you are right, you are coming to the point. Tell me, what is it? Exponents. Something you told, maybe 50%, 60% correct. But tell me, Vidra, tell me, what is this your idea about exponents? Okay, anybody please?
Power.
So you can see exponents. I think you wrote the headings exponents. Exponents and power notation, powers. Exponents and powers. All of you write the heading again. Exponents and powers. Chapter 12. Chapter 12. Put the date also. Your notebook. Today is what the date? 16 or 15?
15.
1-5.
Yes.
15, 1, 21. All of you write exponents and powers. So here in the chapter itself, it is the power, powerful. I told you, strong. I told you 5. Okay, then 5 square, that is 25. 10, poor 10, I get 10 rupees. Okay, I can drink a coffee. But 10 cube, that you know, 10 into 10 into 10, that is 3 zeros are the 1,000 rupees, not bad. I am giving you 10 rupees, but Zia told me that's plus 10 square, I will not give. Then Midila told 10 cube, sir, no, I cannot, because you are clever, 10 rupees, we will not give. Okay, because this is from 10 cube. Now 7 to the power of 0. Tell me, my children, what is that? What is this one? Any number to the power of 0? Class 7 you studied. Tell me what is it? Tell me what is 7 to the power of 0? Okay, tell me what is 7 to the power of 1? 7 to the power of 1, what is it? 7. 7 to the power of 1, what is it? 7. 7 to the power of 1 means 7. 7 square means 14. 7 into 7, that is 49, not 47 into 7. Now here, if I am writing before this one, 7 to the power of 0. 7 to the power of 2, 49. 7 to the power of 1, 7. 7 to the power of 0. Tell me what is it, 7 to the power of 0? What is it? Anybody, please?
1.
Very good, excellent. Yeah, all of you clap for it. Zia to the power of 0 is 1. Abdullah said to the power of 0 means 1. Mango to the power of 0 means 1. 1000 to the power of 0 means 1. Any number to the power of 0 means 1. That is why last class I told you and you also enjoyed. So, okay, I told my daughter, what I can say, grandchild, I will give you 1 rupee. No, he's in class 2. I don't want 1 rupee. Come here, come here, come here. I will give you 100 to the power of 0 rupees. He came fast. പെട്ടെന്ന് ഓടി വന്നു 100 to the power of 0. You can do that with your sister or your brother like that. 1 rupee, no, I don't want what 1 rupee. 100 to the power of 0. That is also 1. Or you ask your mother or father, mother, I want 500 to the power of 0. She will be very angry. Why 500? Then don't tell. Ask her 1 rupee. Okay, 1 rupee, okay, you can take. Ma, 500 to the power of 0, 1000 to the power of 0. This all. Don't be scared. Don't be angry with me. That is 1 only. So she will laugh. Who told you? Our math teacher of math exponent power. Are you following me or not? എവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ ഉറങ്ങിയോ ചെയ്യാതെ മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ?
Yes.
Participant 9. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Now, please understand this technique. No technique, I can say this useful thing. Okay, in between that. Now, 7 to the power of 0, 1. That means any number to the power of 0 means 1. Now, you have to think 7 to the power of minus 1. What is it? This is our concept. Power notation, inverse, that is our concept. As the exponent decreases by 1, the value becomes 1/10 of the previous value. That is correct. Here increasing, now here decreasing. Now anybody can tell me what is 7 to the power of minus 1? What is 7 inverse 1 or 7 to the power of minus 1? Anybody? Any idea? Okay. So if you are going like this, you know it will be small. Here I am writing again. Instead of this 7, please listen me. I am writing 5 cube, then 5 square, then 5 to the power of 1 or 5. Here 5 to the power of minus 1. 5 cube, you know 5 into 5 into 5, and that is 125. And 5 square is 5 into 5, that is 25. And 5 to the power of 1 means 5 only. And 5 to the power of 0 means 1 only. Now after that decreasing, 5 inverse 1. This is my question. I think my question is clear. We are talking about inverse trigonometry. Inverse function, inverse exponent, not trigonometric function, sorry. That is class 10. Okay, Zia, tell me what is 5 to the power of minus 1?
0.
Not 0. Because not 0. Anybody please? Yes. Come out. That is where you want. See. Minus.
5.
Anybody please help me? I stuck. Here is a trap.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. No. You are trying anyway. Good. 5 inverse 1 I want. I told you before, I will give you 5 square give me. Now I am talking about, I am giving you 5. But I don't want 5 again. 10. I am giving you 10. Can you give me 10 inverse 10 to the power of 0? Yes. Sir, give me 10 rupees or 10 real. I have $10. 10 to the power of 1 means 10. Okay. I can give you 10 to the power of 0. Okay, you are happy. Because 10 to the power of 0 means this is 1. This is 10 only, 10 to the power of 0, not 10. Now my question is 10 to the power of minus 1. One thing I can tell you, yes, minus?
1.
No, minus 1, come out. What is this? You have to think like that only. 10 inverse 1. What is it? One thing I can tell, it will be less than 1 because it is decreasing. 125, 25, 5, 1, like that.
-2.
No, minus 2. Minus 2 is minus 2. There will be a relation here 5. 125 divided by 5, that means 25. See, I am cutting 1 0. 1 0. 1 5 divided by 5. Here also divided by 5 5. Now here also divide by 5. 5 by 5. That is 1. Now you have to think, sir, you divided by 5 5 5 5 like that. So what to do? What is the answer here? 2 3 clues I gave you. Not minus 2, not minus 3, not minus 5. You have to divide here. Midilaj, where are you? 1 by
5.
1 by 5. Because look here, another way I can say 5 cube. Then 5 square means 5 cube into 1 by 5. Here, divide by 5 is multiply by 1 by 5. I told you before, in class 8 higher classes, there are only 2 operations. One is addition and other is multiplication. Subtraction is change the sign and add, and division divided by 5 is 5 by 1 divided by 5 by 1 is multiply by 1 by 5. 5 cube, that means 5 into 5. Here 5 square means 5 into 5 into 5 into 1 by 5. Cut. So you are getting 5 into 5, 25. Again 5 into 1 by 5. Cut 5 only. Again 5 into 1 by 5. That is 5 by 5. That is 1. Again 1 into 1 by 5. That is 1 by 5. Now, sir, we can do 10 inverse 1. 1 by 10, sir. 10 inverse or 7 inverse or 9 inverse 1. 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Now, 100 inverse 1. 1 by 100. For the same thing, I can tell you, and you can listen here. 100 means 10 square. 10 inverse 2. 10 in 10 square is 1. This is 10 inverse 2. Understand? 10 inverse 2 means 1 by 10 square. Now listen here. What I am telling. Any number to the power of -1, -2 will be less than that number. Any number to the power means a square or 5 square or 10 square. That will be strong. 10 cube, I told you 1000. 10 square is 100. Strong. Power notation on the shoulder you can see. But whenever powers with negative numbers, that means in ways we are getting less than. If you are playing the game, you play the game in ways. 100 inverse 1. 1 by 100. Not 100 rupees. 1 part out of 100 because you know the fraction. 1 part, 1 paise, that 1 by 100. Or 1 rupee out of 100 rupees. That is it. Now all of you please open the page number. I can say page number 193. Can you see exponents and power? It is very clearly written there what I told. All of you, please open. Can you see? 10 raised to 24. You know what is base and what is exponents. We say 10 raised to the power of 24. First, you please open the book, page number 192. All of you, please open page number 192. Page number 192, you opened or not? Please open. Your math book must be with you. Your math notebook must be with you. And do the work. Exponents and power, I told you to write there. Now open the textbook. In textbook, what is there? In a cloud, you can see the right side. Adu kando 10 raised to 24 again.
Yes.
Okay. So 10 raised to 24 or 5 raised to 7 or 5 raised to 6 or 5 raised to 9. Now this 5 is called the base and this 9 is called
Power.
exponents of power. This is our exponents. It is the class 7 exponents and power. That means all of your mark the 5 to the power of 9. Here 5 is the base and 9 is the exponents or power. Doesn't matter. Power, strong, powerful in the folder you can see 5 raised to 9. Write it. Then after that you have to say exponent. Okay. As the exponent decreases by 1, the value of the 1/10 of the previous. That means we found this 1. When you are doing 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Here 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Now 5 raised to 9, we know base. Now tell me s to the power of 3. Tell me what is the base here? What is the base? 10 is the base. Where is the 10 here? S to the power of 3. S cube, my dear child. S to the power of 3. Here 5 is the base. Here S to the power of 3. S cube. That means algebra. We know X, that is a variable. Now 3 is cube. Now tell me what is the base? What is the base here? Vidilaj, what is the base?
X.
X. Fatima, Farhana, Hiba, is it correct or not? Maliha, it is correct or not? Muhammad Rasal. X is the base. It is correct? Yes, you are the base. Base is X. And the power exponents. Which is the exponents? 3 is the exponents. നിങ്ങൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് റിയാക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല പറയുന്നത് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ
Yes.
Okay, then react fast. കാരണം time ഇല്ല നമുക്ക് 25 minutes over now. Okay, so exponents you understood or power you understood, base you understood. Now my question is, all of you please tell me, I am asking you one question, then I will come to the next module. Now here, my question is 10 to the power of -2. Now, I will ask, don't say everybody, exponents I want, base I want. Okay, now, please, Maliha, please tell me, what is the exponents? Where are you, Maliha? Are you here? Can you hear my voice? Okay, tell me. What is the exponent? Tell me, Maliha. What is the exponent 10 to the power of -2?
-2.
Very good. -2 is the exponents. So, and what is the base?
10.
10 is the base. Okay, fine. Now, tell me here, what is 10 in base 2? Is this, we know we studied 10 square is 100. Now, 10 in base 2 also 100 now?
No.
What is it? 1
1 by 10 square.
10 square. That is 1 by 100. All of you write this one. Write exponents and write this one. Here, after that, write this one. I started here. 5 cube is equal to, I like this. And 5 square is equal to, I like this. 5 to the power of 1 and 5 to the power of 0 and 5 inverse 1 by 5. This is called negative exponent. Write this one. And after that, write 10 square and 10 inverse 2. Then in between, you have to draw the graph that is base. Base is this you have to write 10 inverse 2. But before that, you have to write 5 cube or 5 raised to 4. So what is the base? 5 raised to 5 cube. So mark this one as in the textbook. You can mark. This is the base of the building. And 3, you are the exponent or power notation. Mark it. After this, please mark this one. 5 cube is the 3 is the exponents and 5 is the base. Then after that, come to next sentence. 10 square is equal to 100. Now 10 inverse 2 is equal to 1 by 10 square. That is 1 by 100. Here also write exponent is minus 2 as Mani had called. Base is 10 as he had called. With other sound, other children, don't allow them to enter the classroom. I will off the video then. You will be in trouble. Now 7 only. What happened? Before that 9 came, now 7 only. Okay. Now listen. Any doubt is there? Please ask me. You can write there power with negative exponents. Okay. Negative exponents. Powers with negative exponents. Right. Next. Powers with, after this, powers with negative exponents. I think all of you wrote this one. Now write next page. Powers with negative exponents. Like integers will reach in negative now. Integers, positive integers, negative integers. Now write the heading. Powers with negative, not COVID negative, negative integers. Always negative is a problem, but COVID case only I like negative, not positive. Other case positive, plus 2, minus 5, I don't want problem, minus multiplication. But in COVID negative, that is best. Positive, we don't like it. Now listen here. What I am telling here, negative exponents. You got the idea what is negative exponents? Okay. So what you can tell about negative exponents? What is this negative exponents? Tell me your idea. What is negative exponents? Negative integers. That means negative exponents. Always with negative integers. That is negative exponents. Can I say negative exponents? Yes. Always with negative exponents. Right there. 3 minus 2. 4 minus 7. Or 4 minus 1. Then 5 minus 6. Tell me what is 3 inverse 2. Write all of you please. 3 inverse 2 is equal to Tell me what is 3 inverse 2?
1 by 3.
1 by 3 square. Excellent. 1 by 3 square. Okay. Now 4 inverse 1.
1 by 4.
1 by 4. You are correct. On the strong like exponents and power notation. Power. David on the kaichille, breakfast kaichille. You have to eat morning. Understand? Be strong, powerful. This is exactly 1 by 3 square. 1 by 3 into 3. That is 1 by 9. 4 inverse 1 means 1 by 4. And 5 inverse 1 means 1 by 5 raised to 6. That is 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 9. That is going on. Okay. Anyway, we know 10 inverse 3. That is 1 by 10 cube. That is equal to 1 by 10 into 10 into 10. 1 by 1000. Write this one. Write this also. Inverse exponents. They're telling these laws you have studied in class 7. Laws of exponents you studied in class 7. So you must be very, very careful about these laws. Then only. Okay. Dear children, are you following me? മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത്? ഓക്കെ ഗുഡ്. പിന്നെന്താ ചില പിള്ളേരൊക്കെ സ്കിപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് പോകുന്നു. ഞാൻ റെക്കോർഡ് അയക്കില്ല. I will not send. Now only 7. Okay, fine. Listen here. 1 by 1000. ഇത് ശരിക്കും മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ ഇതിന്റെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റേജിലേക്ക് ഞാൻ മൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞ നെക്സ്റ്റ് മൊഡ്യൂൾ. Now listen here. Here, how can we apply laws of exponents? Tell me, children, class 7, laws of exponents. Tell me, right there in your notebook and show me. Last year, you studied 5 or 6 laws of exponents. Tell me, right there and show me your notebook. I can see your notebook and show me the notebook page. All of you write laws of exponents 5 or 6 are the whatever be that. At least 5 write and show me. What are the laws of exponents? Because we did that for negative exponents. Write fast and tell me. What is the first law? Many laws are there. On the either on the card, show me. I am waiting for your notebook page. Show me like this. Open notebook and show me. Show me the laws of exponents. എഴുതിയിടത്തോളം കാണിക്കുക നോട്ട്ബുക്ക് ഒന്ന് കാണട്ടെ. മലിഹ, റിയാസ്, show me. Muhammad Shamnas, Muhammad Razak, Iba, Hana, Farhana. Please show me your notebook like this. Show me what one is the laws. Laws of exponent last year. See, I am showing your paper. Like this, show me the paper. This class 10 work only. എന്താ ആരും മുണ്ടുന്നില്ല? മുണ്ടൽ പോയോ? ഹലോ, why are you not talking? Why are you silent? Why are you mum? നിങ്ങൾ സംസാരിക്കാൻ ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കില്ല. ഷോ മീ ദ പേജ്. ലോസ് ഓഫ് എക്സ്പോണൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, കമോൺ. പറയുന്നില്ല, ചാറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. ലെറ്റ് മീ ചെക്ക് ദ ചാറ്റിംഗ്. ദിയാദ ആ പേജ് ഒന്ന് കാണിച്ചേ. No chatting, nothing. I don't know why are you mom today? You were very active before. ഇത് നല്ല പവർഫുൾ ചാപ്റ്റർ ആയിട്ടാണോ ഇതിപ്പോ ഇങ്ങനെ മമ്മ ഇരിക്കുന്നത്? വളരെ യൂസ്ഫുൾ ചാപ്റ്റർ ആണ്. What is the first law? Yes. A raised to m or s raised to m, like that. First law, I am starting. A raised to m into a raised to n, that is equal to, tell me. Hello, my children, where are you? നിങ്ങൾ കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ ഞാൻ എഴുതുന്നത്? ക്ലിയർ ഇല്ല, എഴുതുന്നത് ക്ലിയർ ഇല്ല. ഇത്
പ്ലസ്
കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? A raised to m into a raised to n. ഇവിടെ എല്ലാം ക്ലിയർ ആണ്. ഇവിടെ ഒരു പ്രശ്നം കാണുന്നില്ല. സംസാരിക്കുന്ന കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഹലോ, ഇതൊന്ന് വായിച്ച ഞാൻ എഴുതി രണ്ടാമത്തെ എഴുതാം. സെക്കൻഡ്, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. A raised to m multiplied by. Second, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. First one, വായിച്ച, please read it.
A raised to m into a raised to n.
What is the answer? Tell me. An answer എഴുതില്ല. What is the answer? A raised to നിങ്ങൾ 7th പഠിച്ച ഞാൻ റീവിസിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാണ്. ഹലോ, ഞാൻ റീവിസിറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. വാട്ട് യു സ്റ്റഡി ഇൻ 7th? പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കുന്നില്ലേ? A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to, tell me. A raised to m plus n. This is a raised to m minus n. Now third one, a raised to m into n. Write it. A raised to m into n. A to the power of mn. A to the power of mn. Now fourth one, a raised to m. A raised to m into b raised to n. A raised to m into b raised to n. A raised to m into, sorry, d raised to m. Both are m, then only. This is also m. M. That means a into b all to the power of m. ഇതൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചതാണോ? ഇല്ല, ഒന്ന് പറയും മക്കളെ, പ്ലീസ്. പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഇതൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചില്ല 7th? ലോസ് ഓഫ് എക്സ്പോണൻസ് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല, ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേക്ക്. നിങ്ങൾ അന്തം വിട്ടമാര് നിൽക്കാണ്. പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? I know you study because class 7 it is the textbook also you can see. This all you can see. You studied in class 7. See, page number 195. These laws you have studied in class 7. Look here, you can believe me. Page number 195 cloud kando. Onnu vaaicha idendanu. These laws you have studied in class 7 for positive exponents. So what I want today, I plan to say about the negative exponents. How can we apply? How can we manipulate? But you are looking like അന്തം വിട്ട് പരിചായികളെ മാറി ഒന്നും ഒരു സംസാരമല്ല. ഈ ക്ലാസ് റൂം അങ്ങനെ ലൈവായിരുന്നു. എന്ത് പറ്റി സിയാദ് ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ, എന്നിട്ട് ഞാൻ പോകുന്നു. നീ ഒന്ന് വീഡിയോ ഒന്ന് ഓണാക്ക്. സിയാദ് ഓൺ ദ വീഡിയോ. എന്ത് പറ്റി, എന്താ പ്രശ്നം? ഓപ്പണായി പറയും, ഒന്ന് ഓണാക്ക്. എന്താണ് ഇതിന്റെ പ്രശ്നം? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല, അല്ലെ എക്സ്പോണൻസ് പഠിച്ചില്ല? ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മൾ എല്ലാ സ്കൂളും പഠിച്ചതാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു, വാട്ട് ഈസ് യുവർ പ്രോബ്ലം? ഒന്ന് വ്യക്തമായി പറയും. യെസ്, എന്ത് പറ്റി ചെയ്യാതെ? നീ പഠിച്ചില്ല ഇത് എക്സ്പോണൻസ്? പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഐ ക്യാൻ ഹിയർ, ഐ ക്യാൻ സീ യു. റെഡ് കളർ. എന്ത് പറ്റി? അല്ല, ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കുന്നില്ലേ? സിയാദ്, ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഞാൻ ബോർഡ് മേൽ എഴുതുന്നത് കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? പിന്നെന്താ റിയാക്ഷൻ ഇല്ലാത്തത്? എന്താണ് ഇന്നത്തെ പ്രശ്നം? രാവിലെ ചായ കഴിച്ചില്ലേ? ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? No answer. That also no answer. Exponents. എവിടെ ഇനി എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യേണ്ട പറഞ്ഞ? കുറച്ച് 2 ലോസും കൂടി ഉണ്ട്. 4 ലോസ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇത് ഞാൻ എഴുതി മനസ്സിലായോ? നിങ്ങളൊന്നും പറയുന്ന, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മനസ്സിലായിന്ന് പറയൂ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മനസ്സിലായില്ല എന്ന് പറയൂ. മനസ്സിലായില്ല, ഞാൻ ഒന്നും കൂടി എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തു വരാം ഇതിന്റെ എക്സാമ്പിൾ സഹിതം. ഞാൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ് ടുമാറോയിലേക്ക് ഈ നെഗറ്റീവിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നില്ലോ. എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? യു ഹാവ് ടു ഡിസൈഡ്. നല്ലൊരു വെള്ളിയാഴ്ച ദിവസം കൊളാക്കണ്ട. ഞാൻ നല്ലൊരു മൂഡിലാ വന്നത്. എക്സ്പോണൻസ് ഒരുപാട് ഹോംവർക്ക് ചെയ്താ വന്നത്. എന്താ പറയണ്ടേ, എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തരൂ പ്ലീസ്. ഇത് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? മുമ്പ് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ ഇത് എക്സ്പോണൻസ് ലോസ്? ഒന്നും കൂടി ക്ലിയർ. ഓക്കെ, ലിസൺ ലിസൺ. അങ്ങനെ പറയും, എന്നാലും എനിക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. കാരണം ഞാൻ പഠിച്ച കാര്യങ്ങളാണ്. ഓക്കെ, m and two more others. First one, the fifth one we study. Any number to the power of 0 means 1. Any number to the power of 0, that is 1. That is, I also revise, n to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Any number s to the power of 0 means 1. 100 to the power of 0 means 1. I told you, Maliha to the power of 0 means 1. Malihana mother vannoku Malihana kaanula. Math teacher made her 1. Like a magic, mathematics magic. Suppose you have 1,000 rupees, big amount, or 2,000 rupees. But math teacher, what she made or what he made? 2,000 to the power of 0, 1 rupees. Math magic that. You will cry. Your parents will be angry. All the school will be angry. Then she can or he can change that again, math magic, like that one. Now look here. You know this is your class 7 book. കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം എല്ലാവരും കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. അത് ഒന്നുകൂടി നിങ്ങൾ റിവൈസ് ചെയ്യുക. Exponents and power notation like this. You can see that many things are there. I need that for completing this work. Okay, I am trying to revise something only. Everything I cannot. Exponents and power. That is page number 249. Exponents and power. This is the beautiful book. Green color and blue color. See, combination of color is very nice. So this book you have to refer. Page number 248. There you can see exponents and power, dividing, multiplication, examples 13.2. Many examples are there. That examples you have to do. I will help you. There you can see. See, 264. All of you open the page number 264. Not now. From home. I told you, your math book don't throw in the dustbin. You need this one. This is what I told. A raised to m into a raised to n. That is a raised to m plus n. A raised to m minus n. A raised to a b raised to n. Then one more thing is there. A raised to m divided by b raised to n. That means a by b to the power of, like that. One more thing is there. A by b all to the power of m. Now first one, multiplication. Multiplication of exponents, we have to add the exponents. Division of exponents, we have to subtract the exponents. And to the bracket, you have to multiply. Then to the power of m, you have to all to the power of m. Any number to the power of 0 means 1. That is easy example, easy law. Then sixth one, last but not the least, that is about the division. That is a raised to m divided by b raised to m. A raised to m divided by b raised to m. Here we saw a raised to m into b raised to m. ab to the power of m. We know ab to the power of all to the power of m. You know the difference that is a to the power of m, b to the power of n, because that is also exponents. Be careful here division. That we can say a raised to m divided by b raised to m is equal to a by b all to the power of m. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one, sixth one. All of you please write it. Example I will tell you now. A by B. Textbook also class 7. That is wrong. Something is there. Make it correct. A raised to m divided by b raised to m. A by b all to the power of m. What happened? Only 5 now. Okay, fine. Listen here. Now, we can try to give example for this one. So first one, a raised to m into a raised to n. Loss of exponents. I think all of you wrote this. Is that six laws?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now first law, I am trying to explain within 10 minutes are there in front of us. We can complete it. First, a raised to m into a raised to n. That is, I am taking a, that means 4 or 5, whatever is that. 5 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 3. Example, all of you write. That means 5 square into 5 cube, that is equal to a n. Instead of a, 5 is the base. What is the base? A. Base must be same. Base must be same. Here base are different. Here one only. So base and 2 into 3, no. Add 2 plus 3. See, n to the power of m plus n. Your m is 2 and your n is 3. And m plus n, that means 5 plus 2 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus 3, that is 5 to the power of 5. You know that is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is 6. Example for 1. Now an example for 2. I think you understood the example for 1. മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes.
Okay. Many examples we can say. 7 to the power of 5 and 7 to the power of 7 to the power of 5 into 7 to the power of 2. Tell me what is the answer for that? 7 to the power of 7 to the power of 10 no?
7.
7 to the power of 7. Okay, then listen here. Suppose 6 to the power of 4 into 6. What is it? 6 to the power of
5.
6 to the power of 4 plus 1. That means 6 to the power of 5. Be careful. 6 means 6 to the power of 1. Now, a raised to m divided by, I can take any number 8 to the power of 6 divided by, it must be 8. Don't write any other number. A. Base must be same, but the exponents different. Doesn't matter. Suppose I am writing here 3. Here, a to the power of, what is a? A is 8. A to the power of 6 minus 3. See the beauty of exponents? You have to understand. Then only, otherwise, you will be in trap always. Here, what I am telling, your A, my A is 8, and that is 8. It must be same. A to the power of, that means A 8. Then M and N. What is your M? Your M is here 6. This M is 6, and your N is 3, sir. Okay, M minus 1. You know 8 to the power of 6 minus 3. That means 8 to the power of 3. 8 to the power of 3. Remember that it is not multiplication, add the exponents. It is not division, subtract the exponents. Now, for example, suppose I am writing instead of that any other number, maybe 10 to the power of 8 divided by 10 to the power of 4. Example, another example. Study tomorrow homework, you have to write three examples for each. So what is 10 to the power of 8 divided by 10 to the power of 4? Etra answer. What is the base here?
10.
10. Then 10 to the power of
4. 4.
division means subtraction. Okay. 8 minus 4. Very good. That means 10 to the power of 4. Don't do 8 divided by 4, sir. This division, no. 10 square, no. 10 to the power of 4. Second example. Now, third one. This 2 over. Now, third one. Time factor is there because that is why I am jumping. Not jumping, speed is maximum. Now, third one. A raised to m and 12 to the power of n. That is nothing, sir. I am taking 5, 8. I am taking 3. No problem. I am taking 7, suppose. 7. M. Take 3 into 3 to the power of whole square. Your A is 7. My M is 3. And your N is 2. Now you can manipulate. The answer is base is 7. There is no difference. S to the power of, what is your M? Tell me. M into N. 3 into 2. That is 7 to the power of 6. Be careful. What is this, sir? What are you doing? Your multiplication you added. Here also multiplication, here multiply. But here see the multiplication difference. 7 cubed whole square. That is the difference here and here. Actually, when you are doing, okay, sir, multiplication, we can do the multiplication here. No. You are telling no. What is this? Division. You are doing subtraction. Multiplication. You are doing addition of exponents. Now, power square, you are doing the multiplication. That is it. That is the law. Any number, we can write example, many examples. Suppose this is, instead of that, 9 to the power of 4 into 3. What is the answer? Tell me.